guys, it's Suzanne from the Painted Drawer, and today's project is quite the endeavor. I found this ginormous chest of drawers at my local thrift store, and while it's pretty cool, it's in desperate need of TLC and a makeover. So part of its foot is in my hand. Part of its front had been nailed in improperly. I had to take that out. I'll show you that up close in a minute. And the glass poles are broken, there's missing veneer. Anyway, there's going to be a lot of prep work done to this piece before it's ready to paint. But when I do, I'm going to be trying a new paint line for me. I haven't tried it yet, which is Magnolia Home by Chip and Joanna Gaines. And this is their chalk style paint in Olive Grove. So I'm really excited to give this a try. And the color looks really pretty, especially for the fall. So anyway, I will show you the up-close pictures of the damage first, and then we'll take it from there. Here you see what I meant when I said part of the front is missing. It's in my hand. Somebody had used these huge nails to bang it back into place, so that took a lot of effort to get the nails out. It's got to be glued back in place with some really strong wood glue, and then all the nail holes need to be filled. Okay, here you can see the missing veneer. So it's missing a chunk there, it's missing pieces here, there's damage all over the piece, and it's a shame because the glass, let me show you all, the glass pole that was on the drawer here has broken in two at some point. So I can't use these poles, which are really pretty. I'll have to replace all of them because there's no way I can match the others and find these. I just thought I'd show you these old poles. They're just solid glass. They're beautiful. It's such a shame that that one was broken, but at least I can keep these for future projects. So here is the missing, well, part of the missing foot that luckily somebody had the foresight to put it in the drawer. So when I purchased it, it was in there. At one point it had split off of the feet, so I can just use wood glue, and I guess it goes like that, and I can get that back. Otherwise it would be really bad to have that important piece, oh look, it kind of snapped in, to have that missing. Okay, so a ton of wood filler and glue has been used on this piece so far. That's being glued back into place. And let's see, wood filler has been applied, and the foot has been glued back into place. Okay guys, time to open the paint. Ooh, I told you it looked like a pretty color for fall. Really nice. Consistency is nice. Here we go. It's pretty thick. But it's adhering, it seems to be adhering nicely.